Tight latissimus dorsi muscle can cause issues for the shoulder, limit the movement there. It can also twist your posture and cause issues for the low back. And on this video, we will teach you how you can work on the deep tension points of the muscle and get it relaxed quickly. On our previous video, we taught the correct stretching technique for this muscle, which is not known to all, and combining this pristine stretching technique with the release technique shown in this video, you will get extra fast results. The latissimus dorsi muscle is the notorious pull-down muscle, for example, and it's located here, so we know where you're going to work on the muscle soon. But the more detailed anatomical explanation of the muscle can be found on the stretching video. So if you are not familiar with that and also not familiar with the stretching technique, definitely check out the video after watching and learning this technique here. This technique is easy to do basically almost anywhere. For this, you're only going to need a foam roller, and these are cheap. Don't do this following exercise if you have any suspicious pathologies in the area, if you have any rib fractures, if you have osteopenia or osteoporosis, or if you have breast cancer, or if your lymph nodes are swollen in the region, or if you have any other medical reasons why you can't have massages. Don't do this. Here we will quickly show you the lats. Here you can see where the muscle goes, where it lies, and what we will be working on. We start the exercise by going to the floor and staying there, of course. We place the foam roller on the top areas of the muscle, so it goes near your scapula, attaches to a part of the scapula and goes to the shoulder area from there. So we will begin by lifting our arm up and of course lying on the foam roller like you see here, and then we start to move the foam roller up and down with a small range of movement with the other hand, like you see Marcus doing here, like a professional. Here, if you feel that it's already painful, you can stay here. This exercise is actually quite masochistic. Masochists dream, but bear with it. It should start to fade away, the pain. Work on it so that it starts to fade away a little bit at least, but do not overwork the area. So if it takes over 3 minutes, then move on to the next spot. And this is actually one of the key points that many miss when doing this foam rolling technique to the lats. You can actually move your body, move your weight a little bit around to get different angles of the muscle. This is a key component so that you can find all of the tight muscle areas, fascial areas of the lats. Don't miss anything. Work on the new spot again. And now you can move the foam roller downwards or move yourself up on the foam roller. High level maths, I know. And then repeat here, of course, and again switch your body around, so turn towards the foam roller or away from the foam roller. Search, be thorough, find all the tight spots that you can find. And once more, when this is done, you can move the foam roller downwards again. It's a long muscle, this one. Search all the points, and the more downwards the foam roller is, so the closer it is to your low back, the more you have to turn towards your backside, like this, so you can reach the muscle there. You can actually even try to work on the lower back part of the muscle here, and this is a natural ending point with this technique. Remember to subscribe to our channel. And luckily, dear viewer, this is not the end of our myofascial release journey. Next, we will move on to the active myofascial release technique version that you can also use. And here we will place the foam roller again on the top areas of the muscle and to the tension points there. And we will turn our arm so that the thumb faces downwards to the floor, pointing to the floor. And we will add a little bit tension by rotating the foam roller downwards, and then we will lift the arm towards the head, like this. And this will actively release the myofascial layers in the muscle. And you can do this all the way down to the points that we showed you before. Remember to turn your body like we taught you before. These tension points are highly individual, so for some of you folks, different techniques, different areas will feel more tight or less tight, and especially with this technique, it's more common that it feels more tight when it's up here and less so when it's down near the low back. But search and use the techniques that feel the most intense, more tight. And of course, those will be your preferred techniques and areas to work on for the following weeks. Do this exercise 2 times in 1 week. Have rest days in between sessions. Also, don't do this release technique before exercising your lats. Let the muscle recover from the release technique. Let the possible inflammation from the area cool down, and then repeat it again. And definitely remember to combine this technique with the stretching technique to get the back. Combine this release technique with the stretching technique that we show on this video here. In my clinical experience, this is one of the fastest and surest ways to get the muscle nice and relaxed and mobile. See you on that video. Bye.